So I'm testing this new Higgsfield feature, and it is wild. You can now replace yourself with any character, including your hand movements, your gestures, your facial expressions. So this tool, Higgsfield Recast, lets you replace yourself with any character, anime, cartoon, professional, whatever, while keeping all your body movements, gestures, and even hand tracking perfect. No glitches, no weird AI fails. So what makes Higgsfield Recast different from every other AI video tool out there? First, this is a full body replacement, not just face swap. Your entire body, your gestures, your movements get transformed to a new character while keeping natural physics. Second, the hand and gesture tracking actually works. Most AI tools completely fail when it comes to hands. Plus, you get voice cloning. So, this Higgsfield Recast provides six language dubbing with automatic lip sync and instant background replacement. So it's like having a full production studio in your browser. So for us, print on demand creators and faceless content creators, this means professional videos without showing your face, hiring actors, or spending thousands on production. So a great marketing tool in your hands. This also means that you can now create content for different niches with different characters or reach global audiences in multiple languages. All right, so let me show you how it works. You will find the link in the description. Just click on it and it will take you to Higgsfield Recast, or simply type higgsfield.ai/app/recast. For my first example, I'm using one of my previous videos that I have recorded. It's a quick video. I use a lot of AI generated images in my work, and one issue keeps showing up. Most enhancers blur away fine lines and remove texture and make your photo look too smooth. So for the first example, I'm using the Recast Studio. Simply go to higgsfield.ai/recast-studio and you will find a similar interface. Here you can select any of the characters that are provided by Higgsfield's Recast Studio, or simply upload your character. So if you press on all, you can see all the characters available. The presets are the ones that are available on the platform. You can choose any of these characters to replace the character in the uploaded video, or simply upload your own character through or via the upload button. And here you get to choose between different voices. You can clone your own voice by uploading a 30-second video of your own voice, or simply choose one of the preset voices. There are many voices available on the platform. Some are female and some are male. So
Maybe they need a day to wash the car or mow the lawn.
simply test the voices and choose the one you like, or simply upload another voice, or you record your own voice to clone it. You can also choose to dub the video to any of the six languages provided. And finally, you get to choose your own background between a cozy minimal, a cozy pink, a luxury masculine, or a green screen background. So what I'm going to do is to upload the video that I have recorded of myself. So I'm going to press on the upload button and upload the video that I have showed you, the recorded video, my test video. And then I'm going to upload one of my characters by pressing on the upload button. I'm going to upload this Joker character that I have generated also in Higgsfield platform. And I'm going to choose one of the voices. I like this Ian voice, and I'm going to leave the language as is.
Life.
So let's choose this Arcadis voice. I like how it sounds. And for the background, I'm going to choose, actually, I'm going to choose a luxury masculine background and press on generate. And this will take a couple of minutes to generate the video. And after a couple of minutes, you get to see the result generated in your library. So here we have thumbnails of the original video and the character uploaded. So let's press on play and see the result.
I use a lot of AI generated images in my work, and one issue keeps showing up. Most enhancers blur away fine lines and remove texture and make your photo look too smooth.
Perfect result. Exact character replacement with the same expressions, the same text, and the same atmosphere with a different background and a different character, which is the Joker character that I have applied. For my second example, I'm using the direct recast interface, and you can access this by typing higgsfield.ai/app/recast. So this is more of a shortcut interface for the recast. So I'm going to upload this video of this man with these hand movements like so. And for the character, I'm going to upload this female character. Just press on the upload button and upload the image and press on the generate video. And again, this will take a couple of minutes for the video to be generated, and this is the final result. So let me give you 3 specific ways to use this tool in your print-on-demand business. Number 1, product showcase videos for different niches. If you sell fitness and gaming designs, for example, use an athletic character for fitness content and a gaming character for gaming content. Match the character to the niche for better connection with your audience, and use this on social media to create engagement. Number 2, faceless brand building. Many successful POD sellers stay anonymous. Choose one character as your brand mascot and use it consistently. You can build your social media profile on this character using Higgsfield Recast feature. Your audience connects with that character without you revealing your identity. Finally, A/B testing and global reach. Record one video, create multiple character versions, test which performs better, then use the language dubbing to reach Spanish markets, French markets, Indian markets, European customers, and all from one original video. So want to try it? Head to higgsfield.ai/app/recast, link in the description, sign up, choose your plan, and start creating. Some pro tips: use good lighting when recording, keep hand gestures clear but normal, camera should be stable, record in a quiet space for better audio. So that's Higgsfield Recast, full body character swap with hand tracking that actually works. Voice cloning, multi-language dubbing, and background replacement all in one platform. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Drop a comment telling me would you stay faceless or show your face for your print-on-demand brand. Thanks for watching.